Stop scrolling. This 2026 AI secret guarantees $10,000 a month, no face, no skills, just automated cash. You're about to discover the secret to making a full-time income without showing your face on YouTube. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a proven system. Many people are struggling to make money online, they're trying everything, but nothing seems to work. They're wasting time and money on courses and software that promise the world but deliver nothing. The truth is, making money online is not easy, but with the right tools and strategy, it's possible. The opportunity to make money with AI on YouTube is huge, and it's growing every day. More and more people are turning to YouTube to make a passive income, and with the right strategy, you can be one of them. You can create a faceless YouTube channel and start making money without showing your face. It's a game changer. One of the most powerful ways to make money with AI on YouTube is to use automation tools. These tools can help you create and upload videos, optimize them for SEO, and even engage with your audience. For example, you can use AI to create videos on popular topics, such as Make Money AI 2026, AI Side Hustle, and Faceless YouTube. You can also use AI to create videos on Passive Income AI and AI Business 2026. Another powerful way to make money with AI on YouTube is to use AI writing tools. These tools can help you write high-quality video scripts, descriptions, and titles. For example, I use Jasper AI to write my video scripts. It's a game changer. Jasper AI is an AI writing tool that can help you write high-quality content in minutes. It's a must-have for any YouTuber. You can also use AI to create multiple income streams, such as sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. For example, you can use AI to find sponsors for your videos, or to create affiliate links for products you promote. You can also use AI to design and sell merchandise, such as t-shirts and hats. The key to making money with AI on YouTube is to be consistent and patient. You need to create high-quality content on a regular basis, and engage with your audience. You also need to optimize your videos for SEO, and use AI tools to help you grow your channel. With the right strategy and tools, you can make a full-time income on YouTube without showing your face. For example, I know someone who created a faceless YouTube channel and made $10,000 in just 1 month. They used AI automation tools to create and upload videos, and AI writing tools to write high-quality scripts. They also used AI to engage with their audience, and optimize their videos for SEO. If you want to make money with AI on YouTube, you need to start now. You need to create a faceless YouTube channel, and start creating high-quality content. You can use AI automation tools to help you create and upload videos, and AI writing tools to write high-quality scripts. You can also use AI to engage with your audience, and optimize your videos for SEO. The potential for making money with AI on YouTube is huge, and it's growing every day. More and more people are turning to YouTube to make a passive income, and with the right strategy, you can be one of them. You can create a faceless YouTube channel, and start making money without showing your face. It's a game changer. So, what are you waiting for? Start your AI side hustle today. Create a faceless YouTube channel, and start making money with AI. Use AI automation tools to create and upload videos, and AI writing tools to write high-quality scripts. Use AI to engage with your audience, and optimize your videos for SEO. If you want to learn more about making money with AI on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more tips and strategies on how to make a full-time income with AI. You can also check out the link below to learn more about Jasper AI, the AI writing tool I use daily. So, don't wait any longer, start your AI side hustle today, and start making money with AI on YouTube. You can create a faceless YouTube channel, and start making a passive income. It's a game changer. Make Money AI 2026 is a reality, and you can be a part of it.